Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to discuss about what would be the best Windows for your new laptop. Well, first of all, I will start with the fact that Windows 7 will soon no longer receive support and updates, which is at the same time good and bad. Why? Well, it is bad because in case of a system vulnerability, you will have no support. And at the same time, it will be good because at the same time, you'll have no more updates that will have the probability to actually destroy your Windows or make other stuff that you had on your computer not usable anymore. But let's get back to the earth and let's say that Windows 10 started to improve itself. And at the same time, most of the newer components have drivers that are better optimized for Windows 10 than for Windows 7, which will lead to lower performance in case of the use of Windows 7. And yes, this only applies in the case of the computers with newer components. Of course, this means that in case of a very low budget computer or laptop, you'll have to start closing up the background processes from Windows 10 to obtain the best performance for your laptop or computer. At the same time, to use Windows Defender, I know how that sounds, instead of an extra antivirus, which will slow down your computer even more. But I think you have no choice, especially if you have a very low budget computer. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Bye!